He couldn't help asking Bade Mian, what are you doing? What was that old man doing? He was planting a mango sapling. Jahanpana, I am planting a mango sapling, replied Tenali Raman. Who was that old man? He was Tenali Raman. But Bade Mian, Babar said, you appear quite old. Even if this sapling takes root, grows and bears fruit, what would you gain? Surely you won't be alive. Babar said that this small mango sapling will take a very long years or time, many years to grow big, bear fruits. That time so you will be no more. You will be very old. So you will not be alive at that time. So why are you planting the mango sapling now? I am not planting it for my own sake, Jahanpana, but for others. The old man said, I am planting this tree for not myself, but for others. As I enjoyed the fruits of the trees planted by my father, now I am eating the fruits of the trees which was not planted by me, but my father. And now this tree will bear fruit for those who live after me. Means the next generation, the young children now, they will enjoy the fruit of this tree. That will be my reward. Means when somebody else will be eating, it will be a reward for me. I like your idea. Babar responded admiringly. Babar said respectfully that I like your idea of planting sapling at present. You are a kind man who cares for others. Take these coins and plant more trees. The emperor asked his minister to give the old man a pouch containing gold coins. The king asked the minister to give coins to Tenali Raman for planting trees and asking him to plant more trees. Accepting the gold, the old man bowed gratefully and said, May God grant the emperor a long life. You see, normally people get fruit many years after planting a tree, but I got it immediately. See how intelligent, how smart Tenali Raman is? He is trying to amuse emperor. He said, thank you for giving me the gold coins. See, emperor, normally people get the fruits after a very long time, means working hard and getting the fruits very later on. But see, I just planted the mango sapling now and I am getting the fruit just now. I got the reward immediately. What was the reward? Reward in the form of gold coins. It shows that consideration, a thought for others definitely reaps a rich harvest. Means giving a thought for others. I thought of my next people, the next children after me, and it had definitely reaps a rich harvest, means brings great reward. Means when you think of other, you get a reward. Pleased by the old man's remark, Baba gave him another bag of coins. So after hearing all this talk, Baba was very pleased, very happy with the old man, the Tenali Raman. So he gave him another bag of gold coins. Again the old man said, you have really made this old man happy. While this tree, when mature, will bear fruit only once a year, you have rewarded twice already. Means this fruit, when it will grow up, right, it will mature, and when it will be matured, it will bear fruit only once a year. In whole year, obviously, one time it will have fruits on this. But you have rewarded me twice. For this small sapling, you have rewarded me 2 times. Baba replied, well said. Again you deserve a reward. For this also you should get a reward. And Tenali received a third bag of coins. alarmed. One of the ministers advised Babar, "Your Highness, this old man appears to be quite wise. This old man is very wise. Let us move ahead." Means let us move before his pithy appearances. Pithy appearances means full of meaning. Words of saying that are short but full of meanings. Force you to empty your treasury right here. Means this old man's intelligent sayings will leave nothing with you. It will empty whatever you have in your treasure. Babar smiled and began to ride away. Now Babar left the place smiling. Then the old man said, "Hazur, just cast a glance at me once again. Just look quickly at me once again." Babar had started moving, right? But the old man called Babar from back and asked him to look at him once. So saying, Tenali removed his disguise and said, means he removed all his clothes or his makeup. "I am your humble servant, Tenali Raman. I am your respected servant, Tenali Raman, kind servant, Tenali Raman." Realizing that he had been thoroughly fooled, realizing Babar that Tenali had fooled him, Babar burst out laughing. "I am not at all sorry for having rewarded you." Then Babar said, "I am not sorry for rewarding you. I am happy that I have rewarded you for your intelligence. Tenali Raman, you deserve it. You deserve it. Why? Because you are really intelligent. You are every bit as intelligent and wise as I had heard. You are really intelligent as I heard about you." Babar took Tenali to his palace and showered him with gifts. Means he gave many gifts to Tenali. When Raja Krishnadeva Raya heard about Tenali Raman's triumph means victory. When Raja heard about Tenali's victory, he too rewarded him with gold and property, many things. And Tenali Raman became even dearer to the Raja's heart. Tenali Raman came more near, or rather Raja started loving Tenali Raman more than before. Students, did you see how Tenali won everybody's heart with his intelligence, humor? With this, I complete explaining you the lesson. I request every one of you read the lesson properly to increase your vocabulary and reading skill. In my next video, I'll complete the book exercises. Thank you.